Have you ever seen a picture of a Tyrannosaurus Rex? It had teeth as big as bananas. It was a giant hunter. Dinosaurs were incredible animals. They lived a very long time ago. They ruled the earth for millions of years. This was long before any people were around. We find their bones buried in the ground. These bones tell us an amazing story. They tell us about a world very different from ours today. A world of giants. People all over the world love dinosaurs. We see them in movies and in museums. We read about them in books. We play with dinosaur toys. Why do we love them so much? I think it is because they are real monsters, but safe monsters. They cannot hurt us because they are gone. Or are they? Many people ask me, can dinosaurs come back? It is a great question. It makes us think about science, nature, and our own world. Imagine seeing a brachiosaurus in a park, taller than the trees, eating from the highest branches, and hearing a T-Rex roar in the distance. This idea has captured our imaginations and makes us wonder what is possible. Science has done amazing things. For more than 150 million years, dinosaurs were the kings and queens of our planet. They were everywhere. Huge plant eaters, fast hunters, with horns, plates, and long necks. They lived on every continent. They swam in the oceans. Some even flew in the skies. The world was their kingdom. It seemed like their rule would never end. Then, something terrible happened. About 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid hit near Mexico. The impact was more powerful than all the bombs in the world put together. It changed the world in an instant. Dust and rock filled the sky, blocking the sun. The world became dark and cold. Plants died without sunlight. The big plant eaters starved, then the meat eaters too. It was a chain reaction. Volcanoes added ash, making the air hard to breathe. This event is called a mass extinction. Many kinds of plants and animals died out at once. Non-bird dinosaurs disappeared forever. Triceratops, T-Rex, Argentinosaurus. It was the end of an era. The world was left empty and quiet. But life is tough. New animals started to appear. This is when our distant ancestors, the mammals, got their big chance. So, if the dinosaurs are gone, how do we know so much? The answer is buried under our feet. We know because of fossils, remains of ancient life turned into rock. A dinosaur bone, a tooth, a footprint, an egg. Some even hold tiny baby skeletons. These are rare and precious clues. Paleontologists are like detectives. We carefully dig fossils out, clean and study them. It takes tools and patience. A single bone can tell us size and how an animal walked. Many bones together let us build a whole skeleton and see what a dinosaur looked like. Teeth tell us diets, sharp for meat, flat for plants. Trackways show how they moved, whether alone or in herds. We once thought dinosaurs were drab. Feathers with color-bearing structures revealed that some were very colorful, striped or spotted. The fossil story is always changing, a book we are still writing with every new discovery. To bring an animal back, we need its instruction manual, DNA. It is in you, in your dog, and it was in every dinosaur. DNA holds the information to build and run a body, eye color, height, everything. It is like computer code for life. To make a dinosaur, we need a complete set of dinosaur DNA. But DNA breaks down over time. The oldest DNA found is about 1 million years old. Dinosaurs died 66 million years ago, far beyond DNA's limit. Like an ancient book, the pages turn to dust. After 66 million years, there is nothing left to read. All dinosaur fossils are rock. The original tissue is gone. The DNA inside their cells has degraded and disappeared. We cannot get dinosaur DNA from fossils. Scientists looked in the best bones and in amber-trapped insects. Jurassic Park is a brilliant idea, but amber does not preserve DNA for millions of years. We have not found any real dinosaur DNA. Without the manual, you cannot build the dinosaur. Even without dinosaur DNA, scientists dream of de-extinction. One way is cloning, like Dolly the sheep, using a living cell. To clone, you need a living dinosaur cell. We do not have any, so cloning a pure dinosaur is impossible. Another way is genetic engineering, editing DNA like a book. Scientists can add or remove genes in living animals. Birds are dinosaurs. Start with a chicken genome, and try to turn back the clock. Activate teeth genes, a long tail, or hands instead of wings. But we do not have the T-Rex book, only fossil notes. You might edit a few lines, but rewriting the whole story exactly is nearly impossible. The result would be a modified chicken, not a real T-Rex. While dinosaurs are out of reach, other extinct animals are not. Let's talk about the woolly mammoth, giant hairy elephants from the Ice Age. They disappeared only about 4,000 years ago, recent compared to dinosaurs. Cold places preserve their bodies incredibly well, even blood. Most importantly, they still have DNA, broken into millions of pieces. Scientists can collect and assemble it with powerful computers. Mammoths and Asian elephants have very similar DNA. Identify mammoth genes, long fur, small ears, cold-adapted blood, and edit them into elephant DNA. Create an edited embryo, place it in a mother elephant, and if all goes well, a baby with mammoth traits is born. Not a perfect clone, but a hairy elephant with mammoth features. Scientists are working on this now. We might see a mammoth-like calf in our lifetime. This project shows what might be possible. Let's imagine we could create a dinosaur. Should we do it? Jurassic Park warned us about risks. The world is different. Less oxygen, different plants, different climate. A dinosaur might not survive modern conditions. It could get sick from modern diseases or fail to digest today's plants. We would need a vast, controlled habitat, expensive and difficult. A T-Rex would be a dangerous predator, seeing our animals as easy food, cows, deer. Even plant eaters could destroy forests and farms, changing ecosystems. Is it right to create an animal for our curiosity or entertainment? It would be alone, without a mother or father, a creature out of time. Many believe we should focus on saving today's endangered species before bringing back those already gone. I have been saying all dinosaurs died 66 million years ago. T-Rex, Triceratops. But not all dinosaurs died. One small feathered group survived, and they could fly. They kept evolving for millions of years and live with us today. Who are these secret survivors? They are birds. Every bird, from tiny hummingbirds to big ostriches, is a living dinosaur. Feathered dinosaur fossils, wings before flight, bones that match, wishbones, hollow bones, walking on two legs, prove the connection. To see a dinosaur, you do not need a time machine, just look out your window. That pigeon bobbing on the sidewalk, those morning singers, you are watching and hearing dinosaurs. So, are dinosaurs coming back? The giant ones like T-Rex and Stegosaurus are almost certainly not. The science is too difficult. The missing DNA piece we will likely never find. But the story is not over. Dinosaur science is more exciting than ever. Every fossil is a new glimpse into their world and our planet's history. We are still discovering new species, huge, tiny, and wonderfully weird. New tools like CT scans show brain and inner ear shapes, senses, and behavior. We are learning their colors, growth, and how they lived, through bones, nests, and tracks. Their extinction warns how fast life can change, and how even the mightiest can vanish. Understanding their past helps us face today's challenges and protect life on Earth. The dinosaurs' legacy is all around us, in the birds we see, the fossils that fire our imagination, and the questions that drive discovery. They teach us about evolution, extinction, and survival, and the power and beauty of nature over millions of years. So keep asking questions, keep being curious. We are the lucky ones who get to uncover this incredible history.